If you're a freelancer or small business owner seeking a tailored banking solution, Lili's Business Checking Account offers a compelling mix of features to simplify your finances. Lili, a fintech platform partnered with Choice Financial Group FDIC insured up to $250,000, provides a mobile-first experience with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements on its basic plan. You get a Visa debit card, access to 38,000 plus fee-free MoneyPass ATMs, and early direct deposits up to 2 days. The app's standout features include automated expense tracking, tax categorization, and a tax bucket to set aside funds, perfect for solopreneurs or gig workers. Paid tiers, Pro 59-month, Smart 35-month, and Premium 55-month offer. Perks like 0% APY savings, cashback rewards, fee-free overdrafts up to $200, and unlimited invoicing. Integrations with QuickBooks, Shopify, and PayPal streamline operations, but cash deposits cost $4.95 at Green Dot locations, and monthly deposit limits, $50,000, may constrain high-volume businesses. With 4.75 app ratings, users love its simplicity, though some report slow customer support and occasional mobile deposit issues. Lili suits digital-first entrepreneurs, but falls short for cash-heavy or complex businesses. Is simplicity your banking priority?